morning. This is call number 2020-02074 in the interest of Balea and Aline Flotis. All parties, please raise your right hands and be sworn. Unmute yourselves, please, folks. Unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Okay, my name is Freddie Beza, and I'm biologically the father of Eileen Beza.
All right, and representing Mr. Besa?
V. Wynn.
Ms. Wynn.
No, ma'am. Please identify yourself and who you represent, Ms. Wynn.
Yes, Your Honor. V. Wynn, attorney for Freddie Beza. I also have my associate attorney, Renee Taylor.
All right, counsel, your name and who you represent.
Attorney Renee Taylor, representing Freddie Beza.
And for the state.
Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right, what are we doing today, ma'am?
Your Honor,
I'm gonna
I'm sorry, Ms. Jeffries, go ahead. I'm sorry.
No problem. I believe Attorney Gwen is gonna ask the court to transfer the case, so I actually am gonna defer to her, Your Honor.
You're gonna what? I'm sorry.
I'm gonna defer to her.
All right, Ms. Wynn.
I'm gonna defer
ahead.
to her, Your Honor.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Judge, we have an issue with two kids. Mom has not appeared. I would like to respectfully request for our case to be transferred to district court. So that, and of course, I know the AG will intervene in our case so that I can start working on service on mom and doing any other kind of alternate service, Judge, because the oldest child, my client signed the AOP for, but of course, mom would then admit to him that it's not his child. And I think that's the reason why she's not complying with your order for the genetic testing. The second child, he did comply with your order and brought that child to the DNA testing center, which concluded that he is the father. So what we're needing, Judge, is an order that adjudicates dad for the youngest and excludes him for the oldest, and then that way we can have a SAPSR order.
Well, I mean, we can do it here.
Yeah?
We can do it in this court. What do you?
I would love to do it in your court too, Judge. I didn't know if you were just so bogged, you know, if you were too busy in your court, but we would love to be in your court, Judge. We just want to get this done. But I know Ms. Jeffries and I, there's so many legs because mom just won't show up, Judge. She's not going to do anything. She has.
Well, but she's been personally served. Miss Taylor, do you know where your client is?
Oh, no, Miss Taylor's with me, Judge.
I'm sorry. I thought Miss Taylor was the mother's attorney. Sorry.
Oh, no,
okay,
Judge.
hold on. Mother not present. Hold on. She's personally served on February 9th, 2021 at 11:22 a.m. at 6341 Mount Houston Road, Trailer 14 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. So she is not present. You know, this is going to be a situation where Miss Wynn, you think that the DNA test, well, the mother has not shown up for the DNA test. Is that correct for one of the children?
Yes, Your Honor. She has the oldest. Mom knows it's not my client's child, and that's why we believe that she's not even going. Aaliyah is her name. She will not show up.
Correct. She is not showing up for her DNA testing appointments, and there's an acknowledgement of paternity on file. So to get an order sustaining, the state needs that negative DNA to exclude him as the father and proceed. The only thing that we could do today is dismiss the case or reset it further to see if we can get the custodial parent to comply with testing.
Or if, Judge, if you think that we can at least deal with the youngest child who's in his possession since November of 2020, then we'd have one leg done, and then I could just deal with the other leg.
Well, okay. Is there then a custody situation here?
My client does
Correct,
have.
Your Honor.
Well, okay. If there's going to be any kind of, if she shows up and there's a custody situation, let's just send it on over to the district court because just get it done once and for all. We could do, you know, the rest of it, but let's just send it over, and that way you don't have to worry about it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. What about a default temporary order, Judge? Is that something that would even?
Well,
Your Honor, I don't think that we can do that
problem,
without the DNA.
yeah, problem is we don't have that. We need to show that she didn't show up and all that type of stuff. So let's just transfer it to the
Okay.
310th District Court. And I'm sure she won't show up for, or maybe not show up for mediation. But the district court wants us to send them to mediation.
Okay.
So DRO mediation is ordered. Okay?
Okay,
All right,
Judge.
thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Wynn.
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Have a
you.
great day. Thank you, Ms. Jeffries.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Um,
Thank you, Ms.